love Swedish dishcloths, and they are not all made the same. Let me show you what makes the EcoGurus Swedish dishcloths so special. These are actually made in Sweden, and they are a mixture of cellulose and cotton. So they always have a bit of a cloth feel, which is really different. They are a family-run business, and I love that they include a cute little note in here. And here they are. You get a variety of colors from this bright yellow and green and pink to some blues and some more neutral grays and whites. These are 100% biodegradable, and they clean everything. Now, what I use Swedish dishcloths for is wiping down my countertops and surfaces in general. And then I have a sponge for cleaning my dishes. But anything that's not a dish, I use this for, and I love it. Now, this is going to always be a little softer. Now, if you're used to other dishcloths, they often feel like really hard paper when they're not in use and they've already dried out. These will always have some give, and they're just really, really gonna last for you. You can throw these in your dishwasher or your clothes washer and wash them and use them again and again. And when they finally wear out all the way, they are 100% biodegradable. Let me show you what happens when I get it wet. It immediately flattens out, and it works just like a sponge, but it's just like a big sponge. Basically, it's a reusable paper towel that is far more absorbent and durable than any paper towel you'll ever come across. These don't rip. They look beautiful. I love that they have this ribbed side and a little bit of a smoother side. So this could be for a little more scrubbing, and they just work exactly as you want them to. The EcoGurus original made in Sweden Swedish dishcloths, and I definitely recommend them.